Alright guys, check this out. The recognize the 500 SSD one solid state drive, 5 GB. So I'm trying to get to the boot. If you can see here, I just ruined my monitor. For some reason the LED is a Samsung. Right from here is a Samsung monitor. See that? Really nice. I think it's 24 inches. For some reason, I think he rub it in somewhere. I think it's kind of a little bit cracked or whatever it is. And I didn't realize that till now. I just noticed. On this. We're going next. And we're going to install. See. Look at that. That monitor is already cracked. So we can do accept these and go next. And we want to do a clean install. We want to do this, no upgrading. So it sees that. So you can only see 465.8 GB, not the exact 500. All right. So let's go. All right, it's installing. That's super fast. Installing updates now. Finally, it's gonna go finish up, and that's how you install a solid state drive on home PC computer. This is a Dell Optiplex 9020. Thanks for watching. Look at that. It's restarting right now. There you go. Now complete our install right here. So we just choose the country. United States and US, and skip this. We're not gonna put anything in there. And let's connect by Ethernet. We don't have that. I don't know, you didn't pick up the drivers for the new card that we just got. So stay tuned.
You see?
All set up, guys. It's all done. Look how fast it is. Live here at JW Solar USA. This is how you set up a solid state drive, hard drive for your computer.